If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Shopify, it's important to act quickly to prevent any unwanted charges. Follow these steps to successfully cancel the transaction. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify admin by entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct store if you manage multiple stores. Step 2. Navigate to Orders. Once logged in, click on the Orders tab located in the left-hand menu. This will take you to a list of all your current and past orders. Step 3. Find the pending transaction. Look for the order that has a pending status. You can use the search bar or filter options to help locate the specific transaction you want to cancel. Step 4. Select the order. Click on the order to open its details. Review the information to ensure it is the correct transaction you wish to cancel. Step 5. Cancel the order. Within the order details, look for the More Actions button or a similar option. Click on it and select Cancel Order. Follow any prompts to confirm the cancellation. After completing these steps, the pending transaction should be successfully cancelled. Always check your email or notifications for confirmation of the cancellation.